Hello, boys and girls. Welcome to another day of science. You are now on Ms. Nora's home page. I'm going to show you how to navigate to get to BrainPop from my home page or my daily agenda page. That way that you can use this video to help you get through your assignment today. So, what are you going to do? You're going to, first, you're going to click on the here. So it says the daily agenda. Students will be able to complete the BrainPop lesson over the changes of matter. So you have already clicked on today's video, which is here. Now you're on the independent practice part. So we're going to click on here. It says click here to get to BrainPop. So I'm clicking here. All right, so I am here. If you go back to Ms. Nora's, Nora's page, let me show you. If you go back to Ms. Nora's page, you can see. You can see here that it gives you the step-by-step instructions. So I just wanted to make sure that you guys have the step-by-step instructions on what to do and the pictures, but also I have a video. I'm providing this video to show you also how to do it. But if you forget and you don't want to watch the video over, here's step-by-step instructions of how to get into BrainPop. All right, let's go back to BrainPop. So now I'm going to log in. So I am logging in. So I am logging in. And now it's going to say hi there. So from after I logged in, I'm going to click on dashboard. And so now I am on the dashboard, so I can see all my lessons that I have. So right now you should only see one lesson, and it tells you whether or not you completed it. So I can complete it. Have I completed anything? No, I have not completed anything yet. So then right here, you want to click on today's assignment. So this assignment is due on September 7th, 2020. All right, so right here, it gives me the instructions. It says, hello, your assignment for today is to watch the video over observation, take the quiz, and then draw about it. So you are going to be watching this video. You press go. Then you're going to take this quiz. You're going to press go, and then you're going to draw about it. So I hope that this helps you guys. If you have any questions, please feel free to direct message Miss Nora or leave a message in the Ask Miss Nora or questions for Miss Nora section, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. All right, guys, have a wonderful Friday, and I can't wait to see you guys finish your lessons. This is pretty cool and exciting. All right, guys, bye.